Welcome to session 43. We're now in full section practice. This is a Module 1 simulation. 22 questions in 35 minutes. Built to feel like the real first module of the digital SAT. We'll cover how routing works, how to pace across the domains, and walk through a few sample questions, plus the strategy to use. First, why Module 1 matters so much. It has 22 questions in 35 minutes, and your performance here routes you to Module 2. A strong Module 1 unlocks a harder Module 2 and a score ceiling near 800. A weak one sends you to an easier Module 2, capping the ceiling around 650 to 680. So aim for at least 18 out of 22, and don't rush the easy questions. Here's the makeup of Module 1. About 8 algebra, 7 advanced math, 4 data analysis, and 3 geometry and trig. Algebra and advanced math dominate, so that's where most of your points live. Pace yourself unevenly. Move quickly through the early questions. Give the middle ones about 90 seconds. Allow the hardest up to 2.5 minutes before flagging. And keep your last 5 minutes for flagged questions and blanks. Let's sample one question per domain. Algebra. The slope between 0,4 and 3,-2 is the change in y over the change in x. -6 over 3, which is -2. Advanced math. For the sum of the roots, you don't even need to solve. The sum is -b over a, which is 5. You can confirm by factoring into x minus 7 and x plus 2. Data analysis. A best fit line through 0, 5, and 1025 has slope 2, so y equals 2x plus 5. At x equals 7, that predicts 19. Geometry and trig. If sine theta is 3/5, that's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so the adjacent side is 4, and cosine theta is 4/5. Run the simulation with a clear strategy. Take 2 passes, grabbing the easy questions first. Flag anything that stalls after about 75 seconds. Use Desmos for graphing and checking, not for first solving algebra. Never leave a blank. And afterward, log your score, your time, and the type of each error, using the 4 categories: conceptual, procedural, reading, or pacing. Your turn. Module 1 style. A right triangle has legs 9 and 40. Find the hypotenuse. Pause and see if you recognize the triple. 9 squared plus 40 squared is 81 plus 1600, which is 1681. The square root is 41. That's the 9, 40, 41 triple, one worth memorizing for the real test. Let's recap session 43. Module 1 is 22 questions in 35 minutes, and it routes you to Module 2, so aim for at least 18 correct, and don't rush the easy ones. Most of your points are in algebra and advanced math. Pace yourself unevenly, flag and return, and never leave a blank. Then debrief with the 4 error categories. Next time, the harder Module 2 simulation.